Hey there, I'm Sandra, and in this video, I'm diving deep into Denticore with a comprehensive review. This won't be a lengthy one, but it'll definitely be a game changer for your decision-making process on whether to invest in this product. Before we jump in, let me point you in the right direction for purchasing the genuine Denticore. It wasn't easy for me to find, so I've left a link to the official Denticore website in the video description. Trust me, it's the only spot where you'll find authentic products, along with some cool discounts and a solid 60-day guarantee. But hold on a sec before you rush to the site. I've got some crucial info to share about Denticore that's probably flying under the radar. You see, our mouths are bustling hubs for bacteria, known as the oral microbiota. These little guys face all sorts of challenges from what we consume, and maintaining their harmony is key to a healthy mouth and beyond. Denticore steps in as a unique solution, packing 9 powerful nutrients and plant extracts designed to replenish your mouth's good bacteria. Each Denticore tablet is like a little boost for your gums and teeth, and using it couldn't be simpler. Just pop one with a big gulp of water each morning, and you're good to go. But listen up, this isn't some overnight miracle. Denticore is a treatment that requires consistency. You'll need to stick to it daily for at least 3 to 6 months to see optimal results. Rest assured, it's FDA-approved, GMO-free, and completely safe. So, that's the lowdown on Denticore. Remember, only snag it from the official website to enjoy all the perks, including that sweet 60-day money-back guarantee and bonus goodies. The link's waiting for you below. Hopefully, this review sheds some light on whether Denticore is right for you. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to spread the word about this video. Here's to better oral health and all the benefits Denticore brings.